The drive system, consisting partly of drive shafts and gearboxes, transmits power to the main rotor, tail rotor, and accessories. The gearboxes provide a change of drive angle and a reduction of RPM. The Apache hydraulic system consists of two independent, closed hydraulic systems, the primary hydraulic system and the utility hydraulic system. They are similar, but not identical, and they have separate as well as shared functions. Both systems operate at 3,000 psi with interchangeable pumps. Pumps run at constant pressure with variable delivery, 0.0 to 6.5 gallons per minute. The hydraulic systems provide power to the flight controls, auxiliary power unit start motor, and hydraulically operated auxiliary equipment installed on the helicopter. The flight controls provide control of the helicopter in all flight maneuvers. They provide mechanical inputs for vertical, longitudinal, lateral, and directional flight control, pitch, roll, yaw, and lift. In the unlikely event that the mechanical flight control system becomes jammed or the control rods are severed, the backup control system provides emergency electrical fly-by-wire control. The pressurized air system filters, pressurizes, regulates, and distributes air to the AH-64A pneumatically operated systems and components. The AH-64A instruments are grouped into four groups: the engine instruments, the flight instruments, the navigation instruments, and miscellaneous instruments. Our last point to bring out about the AH-64A is that all its electrical power requirements are supplied by two AC generators and two transformer rectifiers. In the case of complete failure, a 24-volt battery will power flight-critical systems. To develop the skills and knowledge to maintain the AH-64A, you must be able to locate and identify major systems and components. Hopefully, the information in this program has familiarized you with the major systems and components and will provide the knowledge on which you can build an even greater understanding of the AH-64A Apache.